Okay, finally I can select this and this and this and these ports, and then group these ports. If I select a group and I find the group is closed, so if there is a group opened, I will close this group and then group it again. Okay, so I will rotate all of these models around this one. So I will select this and then pick this one in a rotation, and I will select the last one, so I can shift and rotate and copy. Okay, now we can select all of this and make the color gray. I will close all groups, then I'll continue adding more details. The last detail in this model, I'll add this. Now I will select this, and then shift copy. Then I can scale this one, and I can decrease this extrusion. We have here like little bit rotation in this part, so I can delete this extrusion and adjust the vertex here. I'll select the vertex here and break this vertex, and in another way I will select this and break. Then I will select the SP line, now I can adjust the SP line to make this part. I will select this vertex, then I will move this little bit like this, and in this part we need this vertex here, so I can refine other vertex here and refine other vertex here, so I can move this vertex little bit, so I can reset tangent, right click reset tangent to adjust this one, and right click reset tangent again. Okay, I will select old vertex and then make a little bit. Okay, I will make a little bit. To bar, and I will decrease all of this like that. maybe I need to increase the depth of this, but in the other way, like this. Okay. So I can add mesh smooth modifier. And I will increase the iteration. Again, little bit smooth edges. Okay. These edges we need to make it more smooth, so I will continue select. I will select this vertex and I will delete these parts, and I'll select all of these vertex and then smooth. Okay, we can delete one of all of this. Perfect. Now we can select this vertex and make some edits to this, and make edits for this. Now we can delete this and delete this, and little bit smooth edit for this, like this. Okay. After sweep we can put edit poly, and then we can add more segments to adjust the smoothness of all of that. Perfect. We need to decrease this. And give this a red color. Perfect. Now we finished this model. I hope I can give you what you need. Thank you.